in 6th standard online tutorials. I hope you all are happy and enjoying the days at home, but you have to learn more and more. Here today I start the Star Wars Oxford Publication 6th standard book that have contained 10 chapters. Today we will going to start the first chapter, playing the game. Playing the game. Everyone know about the game. There are two types of game. One is indoor game, one is outdoor games. How many knows the name of outdoor game? Number of. Some have ground, some have no ground, some have at home play. You can play home too. Some games played on the ground too, and some are that in indoor games we played in the door, means at home to at our room too. Sometimes you all knows about mobile game too. You all aware of how the mobile is harmful to us and how the physical games stands you, how the physical games you play and how you build up your body, how you build up your mind. That is, we learn from the game. There are so many games we learn. Every game give every message. Every time in a PT lecture, physical training lecture, you play the game. Some list of games like cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho, running events, throwing events, javelin thrown, hammer thrown, everything you can. But some games you need physically. You have to move, and some games need equipment set like cricket. We need the ground, we need the wicket keepers, we need the balls and bats and rackets, everything. So here in the playing game, here the list of games given, but here in the other way, how the game played by us. Game is not playing only on the ground. Game is also played by our life too. So how we play tactfully, how we play skillfully, how we play not enjoy for on the enjoy, but life is also play game. So game it or play it vigorously or genuinely, that is decided from your part. Teachers always teaches you play the game, but how you play the game, that is only for winning? No, winning is not important. Playing is the important, to participate is the important. Playing the game, the main concept of the story is how we play the game. Here the story, Playing the Game, is written by Gavin Khan, the Australian writer, blogger, playwright and cartoonist. Here this story is a cartoon story, not much more written. All the story have written 5 pages, 6 pages, more than pages. But here a very simple pictorial story. Means cartoon is given, we have to understand the cartoon. What the cartoon pic says to us. It's an intellectual. K. Ramanatha is a very good cartoonist. Ramakrishna is a very good cartoonist. And here the Australian cartoonist Gavin Khan has written this cartoon story. His famous cartoon story, that is Zen and Silks. They are most fabulous and most famous cartoon story. He was a cartoon blog too. He has written so many blog. Blog means a person who writes such thing on the Twitter. That is called blog. So let us learn about the game. So here for warm-up activities, playing the game. So we have thinking about the game. So list of games we have like cricket, tennis, table tennis, badminton, kho-kho, kabaddi, basketball, wrestling. So many games we play. Here list of games given. But how many games need such equipment? Every game needs equipment. Without equipment, no one can play the game. Even simple card games, we need cards. In a Ludo games, we need Ludo and striker. In a Carom, we need striker too. But how the game is famous by his equipment, by his ground and by his heroes. How you play the game is a heroic manner, or how you play the game with cowardly losing the game, that is not much more, but the participate in the game, that is more important. So every life has everyday life is playing a game with you. Enjoy it, play it skillfully, play it tactfully, and whenever you need any type of energy, you drink it. Here, given the game and their equipment. Before going to learn this chapter, we need this football, so it is already known with the goalpost, because in a football, goalpost is important, because when we goal the ball, at that time we receive the goal. So goalpost is the most important equipment for football. Then hockey is played by only ball? No, hockey is played by ball and stick. When we stick and stuck with the ball in a hall, at that time hockey played. Hockey is the Indian game. Then boxing, we need gloves. Without gloves, boxing, it is harmful to us. Then cricket, everyone lover of cricket. Wickets need, wickets जाती नहीं तो cricket खेली मानी जाती नहीं. Then tennis, there have two tennis, lawn tennis and table tennis. In a table tennis needs table and lawn tennis needs racket. Not lawn tennis needs rackets needs cartoon. Carom needs ball. Carom needs striker too. Roller skating, it's also a game. There are two types of skating. Roller skating, there are so many. We can skate on the road too, skate on the simple way too. But here two types of skating, roller skating on ice skating. So here skates need for different level, what we need different skates. Then skiing, we need skiing done on ice. That is when icy area, snowy area are there. We can play the skis. At that time we need to plant food, that is called skiing. Let's understand game and their equipment very well. Now see, here this is a pictorial story, playing the game. In the first picture, life has often been compared in a game. Life is always compared with the game. In this graphic story, pictorial story, cartoon story, why we say the graphic story? Because here is the day by day, graph is increased. Day by day, graph is increased. So we can say that it's a graphic story. The author was the game of baseball to give a message to is about how to live the life, जिंदगी कैसे जी जाती है, ये बढ़िया सा मैसेज इस स्टोरी से हमें मिलता है. Here in the first picture, life is a game with a glorious prizes. We always win the prizes. Every time we have one mind that we have set up mind that how much prize we got after playing this game, shield, trophy, set, all such lots of prizes given. But life is a precious gift given by the God. How we play it, enthusiastically, cowardly, skillfully, tactfully, that depends on us. See, if we can only play it right, it is enjoyable. Now turn the page. Here, in the second page of story, it is give and take. Life is like a game. It is give and take. Lend and क्या है? Give and take. If you give good, you receive good. If you give bad, you receive bad. So life is like a game with a precious prize. Life is like a game with give and take. In the third picture, the author says that build and break. Life is like a build and break. Sometimes we make sand houses in the sand, it can build, and someone punch us, that is break. Sometimes we are in the Nargol game, sometimes we build the stone by stone, we build the things on upon, and someone hit and it is break. So life is Remember these points. Keep in your mind and write down in your copy. Life is a precious gift. Second, life is give and take. Third, life is build and break. वो कभी बनाती भी है और कभी बिखेरती भी है. And often it ends in a fight and sometimes it ends with a fight. वहाँ पे घर्षण हो जाता है और स्टोरी खत्म हो जाती है, फाइट आ जाती है. Why fight become when your mind struggle with your opinion. At that time, other thinking is different, you think different. At that time, fight became, and sometimes it ends with the fight. Now, but he surely wins who honestly tried. But life is depends on that. कि who surely, how truly you play the game, how honestly you play the game. Regardless of wealth or fame, or at that time unlimited fame you need, unlimited fame coming towards you when you play this game honestly, when you play this game truly, at that time your fame spread all over. We can never despair who plays in fair. Yes, sometimes some players not in fair, at that time we despair, we losing our temper. Don't do this, never losing your temper. Don't come in a despair. Every day new hope is coming in your window. Welcome it. Here one question is given. Does the game in the story remind you of any other game you are familiar with? And which one? Here, baseball is also similar with one game. You everyone know about that which game mentioned here. Now, how are you playing the game? How you game play? Tactfully or losingly or repeatedly? Here, the person lose the ball, not catch, and he fall down, so he has stuck out. That is mine. Now, do you wilt and whine? If you fail to win, अगर आप जीतते नहीं हो, if you fail to win, जीतने नहीं हो और हार आ जाती है, तो do you halt and whine? At that time, you have courage or not? You have wait to think about that or not? In the manner you think your due, at that time you think about that or go back. Do you sneer at the man in case that he can? Sneer means whenever someone is going with your bad manner, at that time you smile or speak anything else. What you think? If someone is speaking you bad words, if someone is hurt your feelings, at that time what you think, or at that time how you react with the others. Here in the game, do you sneer at the man in case that he can? At that time, what your action does, you smile or speak in a contemptuous manner. At that time, how is your temperament is going on? How is your mood is going on? Very angrily in mood, very anxious in mood, very hopefully in mood, or despair and discouraged in mood, or you are in the mood of fighting. Because when someone saying us and when we are on the right path, in fact, when we are on the right track, we say politely our things, we say gently our things, and at that time we have to sneer, means smile, not to anxiously manner. Now see on the 14th page, here, and does do better than you, and you try to do better of that. Do you take your result with a knowing game? You take the result, how you know? Next, in a fourth picture, do you laugh, though you pull up play? If you laugh, though you pull up the game, does your faith hold true when the whole world's blue, when whole world sky is blue with the shining? At that time, you stick out with your faith यानी श्रद्धा. आपको खुद में confident, be confident with your strength, be confident with your ideas, be confident with your opinion. When you are right, say it. When you are right, say it, because when you are not confident, all these pressurize you. Life is like a game. When you are playing the game, someone is saying, thought. At that time, someone is motivated you. So at that time, your energy level boosts up. But sometimes, someone is saying another words. So at that time, your energy level decrease? No, never decrease your energy level. At that time, boost up your energy. All things within us, you have to be confident. You have to be positive. At that time, you have to be thinking about your strength. It is possible, I can do it, I will do it, and I may have strength. And these three things keep in your mind. Here, one question asks, should we dislike anyone who does better than us? If someone is better than us, at that time we dislike them, we envious them? No, we try to do better over them. How are you playing the game? Now coach asks the students. Now coach asks the players. How are you playing the game? How you play the game? Skillfully or not? If you haven't any need, I here. Get into the thick of it, wade in boys, whatever is your cherished goal. Here, coach is suggesting to the player, whenever you need my suggestion, I will here with you. Then, brace up your will till your pulses thrill and your dad, you're very sore. Here, the last one, the player who was a very good player, very good playing the game. He said us that brace up your will means get ready, be ready of your will. Will means desire, what you want to be, what you want to do. Get up ready for this and take your pulses. Means here pulses are there, yes, breathe is there in your soul. How you confident for these challenges, how you accept the challenges, how you run for this race, how you fit for this game. That all things keep in your mind and say right effect on this. And at last, the graphic story says, do something more than make a noise. Let your purpose leap and flame. Do something more than making noise. आवाज से भी कुछ ज्यादा होता है. Yes, something more than making noise. That is your leap. How you jump, how your purpose and goal is near to you. As you play with a cry, now coach is suggesting you as you are playing with a cry. I shall do or die. What can I do? Karu ya maru, do or die. Indira Gandhi says, do or die. Gandhiji says, karenge ya marenge. What we choose? Here two choices there. Do or die. So we always choice do. Every day we do something new. So here two questions are there. What is more important, to win the game or to be honest and sporting? What is important? To win the game, it is enough, or honestly playing the game? The right answer is honestly playing the game, supporting to other, that is the game, and never be despair. In the last story, after of all this baseball game, through all this baseball game, here our life coach, Gavin Khan, received one message to us. Then you will be playing the game. Now you are ready to play the game. When you are on the ground, be confident, be positive, and be get set go, ready for the playing the game. So here in a graphic story, we learn the message in a life. Winning is not important, participation is important. Second thing, life is like a game, play it, generously, played skillfully, played tactfully, and here the game teaches us more and more points. So we have to learn the point very well. Life is build and break, life is give and take, interaction. If I give you 5 rupees, I need from you 5 rupees? No, but I need to work. If someone is giving you some support, you have to give the support. That is called interaction. Life is like a give and take. Life is like a build and break. Life is like a likes and dislikes. Life is like a up and down. जिंदगी में ups and downs तो आते रहते हैं. We have to face them boldly. That is the playing the game. It's not that only this game is a symbolic how you play, but after your coach, the God is our coach, and He every day given the new game, and we have to face this game very honestly, supportingly, and truly. Thank you. I hope you understand this chapter very well and try to solve the questions.